In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add light effects on your videos in Capcut. So I have here a video on my timeline. To add light effects, just go ahead and choose effects here and then choose video effects. And from here, scroll until you see light effects, and we have them here. And now here we have quite a number of light effects that you can apply on our video. For instance, you can apply flash, we can apply blends, and so many other like neon. So let's go ahead and try neon, and look at that, it has been applied to our video. And now if we play it, you can see the effects have been applied. So you can go ahead and choose how long you want these effects to be applied. I can scroll this to the end. Now if we go ahead and play the whole video, you'll see the effects will be applied from the beginning to the end. Look at that. Great. So that's how you apply light effects on your videos in Capcut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.